So hello everyone, I am super excited to tell you that on 3rd of July 2022 at Eastern 11 am, Tonai is going to live and organize the informative webinar on 3rd of July. Let's quickly come on to the sales page of the Tonai. So Tonai is an artificial intelligence software which helps to create video reels, sales pages, video commercials, voiceovers, articles, podcasts with over 30 tones like a pro, and it will save your time as well. So here we can see you are officially inviting to the grand opening event of Tonai. I have told you that Tonai organized an informative webinar on 23rd of July. So there is the tagline of the Tonai: for the first time ever, create unlimited tone-based content that charms and activates emotions in readers, viewers and listeners in one click. So as you can see, the registration now to the grand opening. This is the registration process. You can register yourself to attend the webinar. Just quickly come on to the webinar informations. So the webinar held by 3rd of July 10 am Eastern, and the expected running time of the webinar is 1 hour and 15 minutes. I will tell you full information of this webinar. As you can see, the webinar training, which topics it will be covered, I will show you. Firstly, we can see, so prepare yourselves of this training. So let's come on to the webinar information, that which topics cover on this webinar in this training. So as we can see, be the first people ever to create tone-based content that charms, activates emotion in readers, viewers and listeners, and have a massive advantage over all the other content creators. In this webinar, you will learn how to create stunning, copywriting and high converting sales pages, videos, reels, commercials, voiceovers, articles, podcasts with over 30 plus tones in one click. You will learn how to get your hand on such technology before everyone else and for the lowest price possible. And you can win free copies of Tonai. Yes, as you can see, you can win free copies of Tonai just attending the webinar. If you attend this webinar, Tonai will randomly choose 3 people and they will distribute 3 copies of this Tonai software. So maybe you will be lucky one. So just attend the webinar. Yes, you can learn actionable ways to apply to your marketing using Tonai and to make over 6 figures this year with organic content. So much and so more, yes, we can see. So register yourself for the webinar. I have pasted the direct link of this page in the description box. You can check the description box and you can see the link. You can go through there and you can directly come on this page and you can read out all the things by self. You can see there, as you can see, this is the 5 minutes demo. So you can see the demo of the Tonai, and yeah, that's the all information about this webinar and this the launch. So yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much.